Viva 647 Heavy, O'Hare Tower, wind 250 at 11 gust 16, runway 28 right at Echo Echo, line up and wait. Echo Echo, by up. Okay, that was 2 calling at once. That was Viva 647, 2 right at Echo Echo, line up. Viva, stop. Viva, stop. Stop, stop. Bus 647. Viva 633, did you cross the hold short lines already? Okay, 2 people keep calling at once. Viva 647, hold short of line 2A right. Viva 647 Heavy, hold short of line 2A right. Viva 633, possible pilot deviation. Advise ready to contact, correction, advise ready to copy your phone number. Viva 633, advise you contact O'Hare Tower, area code 773-601. Viva 633, wind 250 at 8, gust 16, runway 2A right, November 5, line up and wait.